Hey friends, welcome in. Come sit on the couch with me. It's time for a budgeting talk. So I wanted to talk to you today because I've had a couple conversations with my clients and they're saying, Annette, I'm struggling with budgeting. So I wanted to give you some tips that I've used over the years that have helped me to maintain my budget and also increase the money that I have in my savings and investments. So budgeting is not easy. It takes consistency and dedication. You have to set that time aside to set those different categories that you want to budget your money into and what you want to save and invest. So I don't know if you remember, like back in the day, I'm probably saying my age, I used to use the little check registers that came with the checkbooks. I would write down every single time in pencil what I spent my money on, what my income was, and then I would subtract or add and say, okay, this is what I have in my bank balance. Then that's evolved into an Excel spreadsheet. I've been using the same Excel spreadsheet for over 10 years. I pull and drag down, the different rows so it continues to auto calculate what I have in my main bank account. I have a separate Excel spreadsheet for my savings. So this is something that today I set aside every Saturday morning, an hour and a half of my time. I manage the multiple bank accounts that we have, take a look at our investments and the money that we're spending on a weekly basis. And I say we because it's me and my husband. So I have to manage both of our finances because we have shared goals and we also have individual goals when it comes to saving and investing as well. So that's why it takes an hour and a half to manage our weekly spending and both of our income that we have coming in because we have those shared goals. Like I said, I do this every Saturday morning because I want to make sure that I keep up to date with what we're spending, if we're on budget in every single category. And that's what it's going to take for you to manage your finances successfully so that you can achieve your savings and just the goals for your future, whether or not it's individually or if it's with a partner. You have time today to prepare for your financial outlook for 2025 and going forward into the future. If you set that time aside, put it down in writing on the goals that you want to achieve. As your income increases, it's going to get more difficult to manage the multiple financial assets that you have. So knowing that today, getting you in that right mindset will help you be successful financially in the future. If you need assistance, know I'm always here for you. Check me out, Annette Harris, on Harris Financial Coaching to help you achieve your goals that you have for the future.